Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Good Guys Roofing Company. Congratulations to the entire team at Good Guys Roofing Company in Texas on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship to the people of both the Dallas and Houston markets. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company, just like most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Good Guys Roofing Company story. Good Guys is an interesting company because they are some of the last hand nailers out there. We found several videos on YouTube showing the Good Guys in action. They will not use nail guns on their clients' roofs. They use hammers in the hands of very experienced people who truly care about craftsmanship and detail. Hand nailing a roof is widely regarded as the best way to install a roof because there are often problems with nail guns, which can drive nails in too far or not far enough. That leads to leaks down the road. That simply will not happen with Good Guys Roofing Company. The owner, Joe Tennant, is very proud of the team that he's assembled over the years, and as the name suggests, they are good guys who take a lot of pride in their work. They're also general contractors who can do more than just roofing. If you have interior storm damage, for example, the Good Guys can do it all, a one-stop shop. Joe is a Hague-certified roofing inspector. He's also a licensed property adjuster. He clearly understands how to handle the insurance claims process after a hail or wind event. Good Guys is a CertainTeed shingle master, which allows the team to offer fantastic warranties on their roofs, backed by CertainTeed, a huge company. At Best of the Best, we care most, though, about what real customers say about any business. The reviews and testimonials about Good Guys are fantastic. Clients rave about the workmanship, the professionalism of the team, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by Joe and the Good Guys every single day. When we reviewed this company in 2017, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints and several very positive reviews, which we almost never see. Most people only ever contact the BBB to complain about a company, not praise it like they do with Good Guys. Congratulations to everyone at Good Guys Roofing Company in Texas on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it.